Hello children, welcome to your English class. Previous class we studied the poem Little by Little. We recited it. Today we'll see the explanation little by little. So this poem is about, as I said you, an acorn. What happens to this acorn? So let us see. Yes, little by little. So the title here says little by little. So even the biggest trees begin life as tiny seeds. Okay, so how this tiny seed grows into a big plant or big tree, so we'll find out. Okay, so the poem here says little by little an acorn said. Now acorn is saying the story, it is saying little by little. What is little by little? Little means small in size, right? As it slowly sank in its mossy bed. Mossy means soft and wet bed. And what do you mean by sank? To move below the surface. So if we put a coin into the water, what it happens? It sinks, right? Sinks into the water. Yes, because of its weight. Same way, the seed sank in its mossy bed. It went below the soil. And what is it doing there? It is saying, I am improving every day. It is not sitting there and sleeping and saying, I am very happy here without doing anything. No, he is saying, I am improving every day. Where it is hidden? What do you mean by hidden? To hide himself, to not to be seen. He is hidden deep in the earth away. He is hidden inside the soil, inside the earth. And what it is doing there? He's saying little by little, each day it grew. So it is growing every day. And it is taking the food from the environment. How it is taking? Little by little. It sipped the dew. Sip means to take in little amount. For example, if you drink tea, so how you drink? It's too hot, right? So you sip it slowly, 1, 2, 3 sip, and you drink it slowly, right? So the same way it is saying, sipped little by little the dew. What is dew? Tiny droplets of water. You can see on the grass in the morning, if you get up early morning, you can see tiny drops of water that are dew. So that dew, it is taking the water from the dew. Then downward it sent out a thread-like root. So children, if you see this nut, when it is there on the ground from the tree, it started to grow. So how does it grow? Little by little. So if you see this picture here, you can see the nut started to sprout. What do you mean by sprout? To a smally plant starts growing, and that shoot, that is called shoot. Tiny plant is called shoot, and slowly the leaves appear. He's saying, I am growing, and I am getting stronger and stronger every day. Little by little, I am improving. What do you mean by improving? Improving means to get still better. And so he is very happy. The nut is very happy. He's saying, I am growing day by day. I am very happy. Then, if you see the next slide, there is a tiny shoot which is growing upward, means above the soil, and a thread-like root that is growing downwards, means below the ground. A root grows below the ground, right? Yes, it needs soil to grow down, and the shoot goes up. Okay, it takes sunlight, water, oxygen, and everything from the environment, and it starts to grow. And it is saying, in the air, as a tiny shoot at its grow, it grows day by day, and every year it's growing. As the leaves appear, now the tiny plant starts to grow. Then the slender branches. Okay, slender means thin branch. The tree has a main trunk, right? Main trunk, if you see here, it has a main trunk and it has branches like this. Okay, so that is called slender branches. Why it is called slender? When it is a small plant, it will have thin branch, and when it becomes a big branch, big tree, it will grow strong branches or fat branches. So now the icon says that slender branches spread far and wide. See how the branches have spread far and wide. It is not too small place, but it takes a big place to grow. And it's very happy because from a tiny seed it has become such a big huge plant. And what happens to this plant? It grows into a oak tree, an oak tree. And you know this oak tree is useful for making furniture, flooring material, cosmetics and creams. Cosmetics, you know, you apply for your face all creams. Yes, and that is for that also this oak tree is used. And barrels. What do you mean by barrels? Barrel means containers, drum you can say. So these many useful things an oak tree can give us, right? And this tree, the nut is saying, from the tiny little nut I have become a mighty oak tree, a big oak tree. So this is how the oak tree grows little by little, day by day, year by year. Yes, and it can live for many years. Okay, children. So, if you see this process here, the oak tree, every seed, it begins its life with a small seeds and then it finally becomes a big tree. If you can see this is called germination process. The seed sprouts, the shoot and the root grows, small plant it becomes, and finally it becomes a big tree. Clear? Fine. Then, if you see the oak tree, then it becomes, from the oak tree there is a nut. From nut it started growing small shoot and root, and from small shoot and root it becomes a big mighty tree, right? Becomes a mighty tree. Now children, who is this lady here in this picture? This is Salu Marada Timmakka. She is also known as Alada Marada Timmakka. You know what is her speciality? This lady, she has planted 385 banyan trees, and she has also planted almost 8,000 other trees, and she has received the award also from the president. Isn't it amazing, children? This lady has done such an amazing thing. So you, me also have to do this. We have to continue taking care of the environment by planting trees, taking care of them. Isn't it important? Yes, because trees are very useful to us. So you have understood this poem, children? Yes. So let us see the new words in this poem. Hidden, sipped, slowly, shoot, downwards, slender, mighty, branches, pride. Pride means to feel satisfied, to be better from somebody else. Improving means to get better, to improve ourselves, to develop ourselves. Okay children, so you all have to learn these new words, learn the poem. Okay, then next class we'll do the question and answers. Till then, take care. Bye.